Okay, that should do it. Excellent. Hello, everyone. It appears I am live. I've needed to just do it on YouTube because TradingView is broken. Hooray! Let me copy and paste the link to the Discord. My channel. I'm live. Share. Copy link. Okay, that'll do it. Welcome to tonight's stream. Let's look at the questions. I'll start out with the main question: is Bitcoin still trending? All you have to do is go to the 4-hour chart. Wait for ACAT to load. Beautiful. The answer is yes. Bitcoin is still trending. How do we know? We look at the longest overexpanded period, right, which is reading as 400. That auto-generates right here. So long as we are above this pivot, we will continue trending. Clean, simple as that. So, that's it. Bitcoin's trending. What is the play? How do you want to enter this? Two options. You wait for a 40-period CCI roll-up, or option 2, you wait for a bounce off of the 200 period 1.25 standard deviation. Okay. Simple as that. That's how you trade Bitcoin right now. It's a very clean chart. If we look at ACAT, this is a very solid, clean plume. It's good to go. I like it. It's a good chart. Let's take a look at the Discord questions. Starting off with Mana. Shall we? Mana BTC. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Very high volatility on this pivot here. Curious. Well, let's see if we can change the resolution a bit to get this a little bit cleaner by going to the 8-hour chart. Yeah, I would consider this as an active mean reversion, the target being the 120 period on the 8-hour chart. So I would consider this active. Just wait for the 20 CCI roll down and go for the target there for short. Next up, let us take a look at 1 inch. Okay, active bearish trend bouncing off the locks here and here. Expiration is not yet active. If you would like to try to short this off of, ooh, hold on. That is a cloud. We need to change the resolution. There we go. Yeah, so 400. Okay, it's maxing out, so we have to manually define this. 200. Cool. Sorry, 400. Yeah, so that is active. Same scenario. Okay, next up, let us take a look at Sol. Need to change the resolution. Let's try the 12-hour. Converse expansion. A little messy. This mean reversion is expired. We do have a new active bullish expansion. which does appear to be expired as well. Okay, so nothing new here for us to do. Let us take a look at the next chart. Ocean. Okay, this is a strong trend. Let us take a look at the 12-hour. Okay, this is not a clean trend. It might be a strong trend, but it isn't a clean trend. And I do not trade unclean charts. It is haram. Yeah, I don't like it. A lot of other traders might consider this a nice strong trend. I think it's too messy. All right, people see the trend line, looks great, but that's all I see. The trend line. I don't trade trend lines. Okay, next up. That's about it. Take a look at F. It's been doing well lately. Interesting mean reversion condition. Also not a clean chart. We have this very large mean reversion condition that is now complete. Like if we go in here and actually define this, yeah, 380. You just extrapolate those bands compressing, and you'll notice price action has gotten incredibly tight. We would be looking for a breakout. This would be considered a breakout here. 14 period, bullish CCI. I'm not seeing significant expansion outside 3.2 of the CLCP, which would be what we would be looking for. Commander Stream, could you expound on this point? BNB USDT on 4-hour has been uptrending sideways. BNB Bitcoin has a downtrend sideways. How does one play this? Okay. So, no bark. 4-hour chart. Okay, negative correlation with Bitcoin. Hey, shh, be quiet, tiny dog. So Bitcoin or BNB here, it does have the active bullish mean reversion, which would coincide with Bitcoin's current direction. So you have an active bullish mean reversion on the Bitcoin pairing, while Bitcoin itself is in an upward trend. It's a very strong position you can take. BNB USDT. Yeah, so what happens when you have this converse movement with the USDT pair is if Bitcoin goes up and the altcoin goes down, the price goes sideways in terms of its actual valuation. Which is why we don't trade USDT pairs, right? Because it's derivative of the two pairs individually. So that's why this goes sideways. It's trying to maintain price because it doesn't have a reason to change price. Oh, that makes sense. But now that you actually have a bullish mean reversion on the Bitcoin pairing while Bitcoin is going up, I would consider that a strong position. So what value should I be accumulating? You're asking what price you should be buying at. bottom edge of the CLCP, so 131.5 looks good. Or CCI rollup. I prefer CLCP bounces if you look closely. Very clean. I would play that right there. Yeah, some little layered buys down to the 131. Looks great. Stop loss just below that value. Okay, everyone, any final questions? Lewis says, good to see you. Coach Drive says, hey, Shark, thanks for the stream. Yep, my pleasure. Had a migraine last week. It's been tremendous. I'm in the process of shipping all my dice for the Kickstarter. I'm doing quality control right now where I hand inspect each individual die. I don't like doing it. It's very time consuming. But I have hired help, so that's good. So if Bitcoin value goes down, and then you enter the position, right? If Bitcoin enters its mean reversion to the downside, you just exit. Stop out. Like, it'd be contingent on that. Okay. Meaning, have to keep watching Bitcoin too. Yeah, always. That should always be a contingency. Okay. Sounds good to me. Alrighty, folks, it's been a pleasure. I will see you all in a few days. Have a good one.